So most of y'all know I like to give y'all the cheapest and the fastest way to get all your stuff done, give you the best damage, the most bang for your buck for survivability, all those kinds of things. So I went through, crunched some numbers, did some testing, actually looked at everything completely over to help players find a way to get their expertise and proficiency maxed out as fast as possible. Now, a lot of people are farming for gear. That's fine, especially for those players who are low on shade levels. But for those players who are high, we're talking, say, around 5,000 and up on SHD watch points, this is going to be your guys' fastest way to level up. And we're going to go through it here in a second, so anybody who's below there, I'm sorry, this probably won't help you. So as you can see, we've bought a bunch of weapons. I have about 15 of these. Now, all those people who have points, credits, and stuff like that, buy up the weapons and donate them. It technically should take you about 20 weapons or gear sets or whatever bought to donate and max it out. Now, I have 15. I've already had two gave me one, so I'm sitting at 17. And as you can see, it goes up pretty quick, very, very quick. Now, that's not just bought. You can also do crafted. So with this, I'm short 3. I'm at half right there, and then 2 more should get me to 10. So yes, it takes 20 weapons or 20 of those specific weapons to max it out. Now, another way you can get said weapons, the cheapest way, is going to be over here at your crafting bench. Now, shout out to Cal. I saw his video and it dawned on me on how to do this. Now, weapons like this, these named weapons, these named gears that are in here, that is how you're going to be able to get those to max them out even faster. But as you can see, it's only going to cost us about 1,000 credits, about 1 green, which is about 1 SHD point, 1 blue, 1 SHD point, and about 2 deleted weapons that we can destruct down. So still, it's about 5 to 4 watch points for this. And because we can craft 20 times 4 or 5, 180, that's only 100 or 80 watch points, period. And we can do all of the absolute best weapons in the game. These are the best for stability, accuracy, and everything. So all the best weapons are craftable. Now, these weapons, like this one here, the 1886, you can't really craft that one. You can't craft named items. So those are going to be a little hard to find. So if we have to use watch points, the best watch point saver is the printer filament. Now, printer filament should get you to about 7.5. So let's say you find 3 of these on the ground, or actually I think it'd take 5. 5 of these somewhere out there, or if you can buy them at a vendor, buy them up. Use the 20, buy them, donate them. Now, the only ones we cannot get that easily are the Eagle Bear, the Ravenous, and the Regulus, because those are raid exclusive. Because those are raid exclusive, you're going to have to use watch points on certain ones like this. To do so, again, printer filament. I cannot stress this enough. Do not use any of the greens or the blues or the protective fabric or the other stuff. Just use printer filament, because printer filament will only take you about 20 watch points. To do all the other ones, even on your skills and everything else, we're talking it will take you almost 400 watch points plus to maximize one piece, versus 200 printer filament would get you just about the same. So what I mean is, as you can see, we have 1980. You don't need to go up to 2000, just bring it to 1980, because you'll always have 20 left over, okay? So as long as you have 1980 right here, that's fine. But these up here above the printer filament, do not use these. Stack them. Delete a character once you're done with your watch points. Save those up, max them out, transfer all the stuff over. Like I'll show you in one of my videos, I'll link the description on how to do so. But just use printer filament. It is the cheapest way to do so. Now, again, when you need some extra weapons and things like that, like these over here, you can take these and donate these in. Buy them up, use your credits, buy these, okay? And donate those. Once you donate those, you can actually start to deconstruct each one of these pieces that you already have that's maxed out, and that's going to save you later on when you have to do your expertise, okay? So let's say I start getting these pieces, even these down here, I can use these to deconstruct because they're the cheapest. That's how you save your points. That's how you save your money. Okay? If this sounds kind of confusing, I'm sorry, but what we don't want to use anything on is these brand sets. Don't want to use it on brand sets at all. Do not use any of your watch points here. Do not use any of your watch points on the gear sets, because I can throw 6 pieces of this on while doing a mission. Any one of these right here in the brand sets or gear sets, I can throw 6 pieces on and max those out in 2 missions or doing a few events with a group of 4. So don't waste your watch points at all on any of this stuff down here, okay? I can't stress this enough. If you're using your watch points or anything for that, you're wasting them. You are literally wasting them. The number one thing you need to max out is this, the specialization area. Why? Because those transfer to every character, okay? Now, when you expertise it out, it'll be just for that character. But things like the Y'all gear right here, the Hollow Man mask, these are DZ exclusive. Well, since they're selling them at the DZ, go get your credits out of the DZ, buy them up, donate them. It'll take 20, period. You'll be done. So that's how you save up. Just like I have these 2 right here. I'm not wasting these 2 because these are my 2 best ones. But I went over here to the DZ, bought them up, boom. Now, again, exotics, same thing. Had a bunch of masks, donated those. It's maxed out completely. I got 1 Catharsis mask. I'm not going to waste that one. So, same thing. Now, some of these that you can't find, you're going to have to use watch points. So,